Hi, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Here we are at the Rainforest walk in Southbank. We're going to go for a walk around. Yeah, we'll start this way. It's not a bad little area. Every so often, I think in September, they will have an art light show in here. So all along down here, you'll see different bits and pieces. I have done a few videos of it. You can go check that out. Excuse me. Thank you. So you've got, not bad, it's nice and cool here as well. You got the little waterfall there, leads down to there. Yeah, all different types of trees, palm trees, coconut trees. And that's a Japanese temple there. You've got the Brisbane Wheel there. We're going to go around this way. We're just going to follow the path around here. Got a little section there, but it's closed off at the moment. We've got another little waterfall here. So we're going to go around this way. Water looks inviting. Well, they're doing maintenance, I guess. Huh. Well, there you go. You learn something new every day. A few more little waterfalls. And this leads up to there, which is another part of Southbank. We've got a green area there. And then this one leads out to this big green area that I've got it fenced off. But there's another section of Southbank. It's so nice here. If you haven't been up here, I would recommend coming up here. There's buses all over Brisbane that will take you here. You can catch a train. You can see more of the Brisbane Wheel there. We'll go back down this way, and then we'll go to the right. So this is one of many videos for the day, as I'm going to a few different spots. So hit that like button and subscribe to see more and different videos like this. There's a big blue button, let's press it. Oops, sorry. Oops, sorry. I thought it was an information. Oops. I thought it, oh, I'm half asleep here, I think. For some reason I thought that was an information button. Not bad. pantries. Some more there. Along the forest walk, you'll find different trees, and this will tell you more about it. There's all the different trees, and what's here, and what they mean, what they look like. And there's a fair amount here. Yeah, so that's all in here. You got stairs leading up that way, and up a bit more up there, and then you can come out this way. It's wheelchair friendly, so this is just a quick little video of the rainforest walk here. So I hope you enjoyed it. There is a refill station here for water. There is seats here as well. That's the Southbank ferry terminal there. You got the Star Casino over there. Neville Bonnet Bridge there. So hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking and subscribing it ahead of time. And until next time, fellow travelers, have a good one.